All right, so if you remembered these, right? Remember these in 2018, right? I feel like these are a little bit better, and just because maybe I'm a little biased because I like myself some lows, but I also feel like if you're looking for something a little more budget friendly, you know, you don't want to spend an arm and a leg, $200 all the time, $160. These are kind of like perfect, and especially because the way markets are in sneakers, I feel like the price will dip a little bit. I think these are really good, either checking out, and on top of that, they kind of go with a little bit of everything, and these are not hard to wear at all. And the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is the Air Jordan 1 Low in the Shadow colorway. And like I said, if you're a fan of the highs in 2018, you grabbed them, I think that you are definitely going to go ahead and like these as well, because I personally think that, in my opinion, double up. Maybe you don't think the same thing, but I think these are a double up. Honestly, they're nice, love the quality, and I'm happy they made them into a low. Nike, Jordan brand, I hope we get more colorways like this because they are definitely a nice cop. So with all that said, y'all, let's check it out together. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, NEPHRITE. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're having a very blessed day. It is always great to see you guys once again. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, looking at the attire, I went with my growth mindset because as we progress, that's the mindset we are always on. Rocking my Arizona hat, I was originally gonna go ahead and wear something different, but I'm like, you know what? Let's switch up the colors a little bit. Like I said, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, and the brand that we're taking a look at today is from Nike and Jordan brand, and this is off of a release that happened, or I guess you could say the colorway comes from a release that took place in 2018, which was the Air Jordan 1 High in the Shadow colorway. And this one right here was did release 2 weeks ago. Now, from what I've seen, I don't know if it is people didn't like it or it was just more people are being very selective, but this one actually is currently still sitting over on the Nike sneakers app, and I even went down to the Nike outlets too, and they're still sitting. But the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is the Air Jordan 1 Low Retro OG in the Shadow colorway. Now, with the retail price being $140, when I did go ahead and see official images that these were coming out last year, I was really excited due to the fact that I've been getting more into the lows as releases have been coming on. And not only that, but the highs, for me personally, I do like them, but I like the lows just more. And this colorway is not bad because I feel like it goes with a lot of outfits that you can put together. So with all that said, before we take a look at these Air Jordan 1 Low Shadow Lows OGs, I do want to go ahead and give you guys your shout outs because I just want you to know that I am very much thankful for you guys each and every single video I put out. Your comments, your support, all the love that you show is greatly appreciated. So I gotta take care of y'all first before we even dive into that. So let's do that right now. Let's go. First and foremost, actually, let me just take a drink of my water real quick because it's kind of hot right now. We outside, so hold up. Kind of spilled a little bit, but it's all good. That water was really good. I want to say thank you guys for all the love, the support that you show. As you guys know, I think last video I went ahead and posted it was over the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Chicago colorway. I told you we did recently go ahead and hit 5K, and as of lately we're at, I think, 5,090 subscribers. So the healthiness of the channel is greatly appreciated. I want you guys to know I greatly appreciate you very much, and I want to keep the momentum up like every single video I put out. So let's keep doing that. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, definitely tell me so I can go ahead and send you a message. And I really want to welcome you to the family. Also, as well, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here, comment down below, and as long as you're engaging with the channel, I promise you I will go ahead and do my part to get you guys featured, because I really like to actually engage with you guys the same way you engage with me. It's really cool. A lot of your guys' comments are really funny. The engagement is cool to see. You guys are really hilarious with some of the stuff that you say in the comments. So I do want your comments to be featured and be shown. That way it just allows me to do my part for you guys all the time. So with all of that said, it is now time to look at the Air Jordan 1 Low in the Shadow colorway. Let's go. All right, so here we go. right here, we got the box right here. I already went ahead and hit on Nike, matter of fact. No, I'm lying. I had actually got a second pair. I got this pair from Finish Line. I had ordered it, and then it came to my house, what, like 2 days ago. I haven't went ahead and looked at it. I just unboxed it, so that's why there is no proper unboxing. But before we go ahead and even look at this, I do want to give you guys just kind of, I guess you could say, the inspiration of kind of like where the actual colorway comes from. A little more of like insight of like, you know, exactly of the color. So as we see right here, I'm putting a picture up, as you can see, it does say, so this Air Jordan 1 Low boasts a full leather construction, ensuring comfort and style. Now, the toe box sports perforations for better airflow. The mesh tongues and inner lining offers breathability. Stay true to its original look. You'll find medium gray accents on the toe box, swooshes, heel overlays, tongue, and insole branding. The rubber outsole also flaunts this iconic shade black, overlays side panels, eye styes, tongues, laces, liner, and wings. Branding on the heel tabs enhance the design. A clean white midsole finish off, white midsole finished off the look. So, like I said, release date for this was May 11th, and I think a lot of people did like these, but at the same time, just with so much coming out, people are trying to be very, very selective. So I think that's kind of why they're very much accessible. I did go ahead and go down to the Nike outlets, and man, like, you can find these things with ease. And if I'm not mistaken, you could probably also find these on sale. You just gotta do your due diligence and you'll probably will find them. So let's go ahead and take a look at the size description, right? So it does go ahead and read Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black, medium gray, white, 10.5. This goes ahead, and if you've never owned an Air Jordan 1 Low, I recommend going true to size or a half size down. They're very accessible and very easy to get. So if you have time to go down to like a retail store, try it on before you buy it. Now, SKU code on it does read CZ07900N3. So let's go ahead and pan it so you guys can see right there. And feel free to pause the video just in case, you know, for example, if something happens where you can't find this shoe or it sells out and you're like, dang, I would have got it. Go on secondary markets where I'll leave a link where you can check it out. Put the SKU code in and that will pop up right there. So let's go ahead and pull these back. And like I said, I like these a lot because the colors come from the Air Jordan 1 2018 Shadow, which I know a lot of people love those as well. So let's go ahead and pull this back right now. This is the lid. And as you can see right here, I know I didn't really talk too much about it, but nothing crazy. You just get the regular black text right there with your gray, and usually like all of the other Air Jordan 1 branding where you have that blacks with the red, this one is gray with the black Nike branding. So it's very, very nice. As we see right here, we have tissue paper that goes right there. Nothing crazy, just all white. But as we pull these things back together, let's do it in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go right there. And as you see, like I said, with this coming exactly from 2018, off that Air Jordan 1 2018 Shadow, the colors are exactly the same. It's just a low version. I kind of low-key, a lot of people may hate me for saying this or may not agree with me, but I kind of like these a little bit better than the high versions, honestly. So let's go ahead and pull out the other ones right now, and then let's review it together. Let's go. Boom, here we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low Shadow, man, and I'm loving these a lot. And me personally, like I said, I already went ahead and got a second pair that is on the way, but these are nice. And real quick too, before we even dive into it, the box kind of reminds me of last year's release of the Air Jordan 1, I think it was washed black. It kind of has that same pattern. The only thing different was I think it had like that paint speckle material on it. That's the only thing different. So comment down below and let me know. But here we go right here. We do have the Air Jordan 1 Low in this shadow colorway. It does come with extra laces right there. And if I'm not mistaken, the laces are gray. As you can see, let the camera focus that. So nice to see that. I will be swapping these out for sure, but let's go ahead and take a look at the, I think we're taking a look at the left today just because it kind of pops out to me a little more. So taking a look at the bottom, or starting with the bottom of the outsole here, like you're all Air Jordan 1s, you have that nice black outsole. And then as you can see right there, it does have that Nike branding right there in the midsole, as you can see. As you come up, you do get an all nice white midsole that goes all the way around the entirety of said sneaker right there. Very nice. As we come up, now we start getting hits of the leather, you get hit with black leather, you get hit of the gray swoosh right there. And then as we look at the back of it, you do have the Wings logo, which is done in black, and you do have more of the gray in the back there. As we come to the toe box actually looks really nice and it's good quality. It is done in gray right here. You default black laces, as you can see right there. As we come up to the nylon tongue right there, as you can see, it does say Nike Air, but it is done in that gray color. It's just how it looks on the swoosh right there. As we go ahead and pull out the shoe tree right there, it's a little windy, so I'm hoping it doesn't fly away. It does go ahead and say Nike Air, which is done in black, and the insole also is white. And then you do have your size tag right there. As you can see, I went with a 10.5, so that's where that 10.5 is. And then that's pretty much the entirety of the shoe right there. Nothing too crazy. I mean, if you already own the Air Jordan 1 High 2018 version, I'm gonna say I don't really think these are a need, just due to the fact that it's pretty similar, just with it being a low cut. You know what I'm saying? That's the only main difference. But I think especially with the summer coming up, you know, this is one of those shoes that you can just rock really easy. They go with a lot of outfits, especially with it being more of a neutral black colorway, or not so much a black colorway, but it's just a neutral colorway. I feel like it goes really, really good. So let me know what you guys think about them. I definitely cannot wait to get the on feet for these. These are definitely, for sure, in my opinion, a double up. And the reason why I'm saying that is because too, it's just because the price as of right now, with the retail price being $140, I really feel that it's obviously going to dip in price just because of the way that the market for sneakers are. I'm pretty sure here shortly you'll be able to find these things probably sitting around for about $120, maybe even as low as $90. I know a lot of the retro lows last year they did the same thing, and a lot of people were scooping them, especially come like that Black Friday time. They do restocks or they ever come back out with them. I definitely see these dipping in price. So let me know what you think about them for real, because yeah, these are one that for sure is going to be a nice one to wear, especially with the summer coming up. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, before I go ahead and even break away to the on-feet review, I do want to give you guys a closer perspective over the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow, just because this is a really nice colorway. Like, it really, really is. I know a lot of people were excited to see they're coming back, especially in the low. So let's look at it some more, shall we? So here we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow, man. I think they really did these really nice. They're really crispy. The leather is on point. The quality is on point. And I even think too, like, with it being low, I feel like it just makes the shoe look a little bit better, in my opinion. The highs have their own special uniqueness to them, but the low just kind of, for me, hits a little bit better. It honestly does. But here we go. Look at the gray, look at the black, look at the white, look at the insole right there. Definitely a great shoe, in my opinion. This is going to be one that as you go ahead and wear it, and it does go ahead and get creases, I feel like it will go ahead and those creases build character to the shoe even some more. So let me know what you think about them. If you do like them, are you gonna go for them? Are you gonna pass on them? Are you waiting for them to dip in price? I really feel they will dip in price, so just kind of stay patient. Yeah, let me know though, because this is a clean shoe, y'all. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been the review over the Air Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow. Let me know what you guys think about them. I'm getting ready to go ahead and break away to the on-feet review. I appreciate you so much. The channel, like I said, it's just so healthy. It's growing. I'm proud to see everything that's happening. And I just love making these reviews for y'all. It's amazing, literally. Let me know what you feel about them. I have more videos coming on the way. We have some, I'm gonna throw a hint out. We have a green pair of sneakers that's coming, and I think it's one of the better ones for this year for sure. So I'm excited to go ahead when that comes in to make the review. So stay tuned for that. Hit that bell notification because it is on the way. It is on the way. Just be patient with me, guys. And with all that said, man, let me know what you think about these. On-feet's coming right now. And like always, it's your boy, it's your kid. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Later.
Gems.